This Monday morning, there are 3 positive catalysts and 3 negative catalysts which investors need to know. 1. The Gross Goods and Services Tax (GST) revenue in February rose by 9.1% to about 1.84 lakh rupees crore in February, boosted by domestic consumption and indicating potential economic revival. That said, the GST collection, however, lower than rupees 1.96 lakh crore collected in January 2025. 2. Wall Street ended sharply higher in Friday's trade, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq adding 1.6% each, while the Dow rising 601 points. 3. Nvidia bounced back, gaining 4% after sinking 8.5% in Thursday's post-earnings session. Still, for the week gone by, Nvidia closed down 7.3%. The 3 negative catalysts. 1. A tense exchange between President Donald Trump and Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky in the Oval Office has raised concerns over escalating geopolitical risks. 2. Trump's tariff threats have reignited retaliation warnings from China, increasing uncertainty. 3. Investors become increasingly alarmed about the total FII selling, which has crossed over 1,45,804 crore this calendar year 2025. Long story short, it will continue to be frustrating for the bulls camp after the ongoing pessimism has wiped out over 90 lakh crore rupees in investor wealth from since September 2024, when Nifty hit an all-time high of 26,277.35. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In Friday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 11639 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of rupees 12309 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering near 13.91 levels. At last check, USD INR 27th March expiry was trading firm at 87.52. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.95 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.95. Nifty outlook: any early intraday rebound could be a dead cat bounce. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty CMP to 1 to 5. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 21,900 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 21,900 and 2300. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty CMP 48345. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 47,844 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,100 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,700 and 48700. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. In February, volatility reigned supreme on Dalal Street as investors' confidence was rattled. We say so because 1. Nifty ended 5.55% lower in February. 2. Nifty recorded its worst February decline since the COVID-19 pandemic, falling 5.55%. Please note, Nifty had plunged 6.4% in February 2020, just before the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19. 3. February marked Nifty's 5th straight monthly fall, an occurrence which was last seen in 1996. 4. From its all-time highs, the Sensex has fallen by 15% and the Nifty is down by 16%. 5. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 Index has plunged 22% lower. 6. The Nifty Small Cap Index crashed 26% lower from its all-time high. In March 2020, during COVID pandemic, the Small Cap Index had tanked around 30%. The panic in small cap stock space is such that 282 stocks from the index hit their respective 52-week lows today. Of these, 27 stocks touched all-time lows in intraday trades. Notable stocks that hit 52-week lows include Apollo Tyres, JK Tyre, PVR Inox, Bajaj Electricals, BEML, Great Eastern Shipping Company, Graphite India, Hindustan Construction Company, HFCL, Indigo Paints, Tata Chemicals and TTK Prestige. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,073 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Until Nifty 24074 is a resistance, downside risk on Nifty seen at 22,000 and then at 21,281 mark, 4th June low. Interweek hurdles at 22,900 mark.